guys, it's Sophie. Welcome back to our channel. I'm super excited for today's video. This is a very highly requested video and I really hope that you guys can take away some of these tips and tricks for how to achieve a defined cut crease, and I'm also going to show you guys how I achieved this look. So if you're interested in knowing how I achieved it, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So the first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids. Today I'm using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the color Light Ivory. And jumping right into the palette, today I'm using my Life's a Drag palette by Lunar Beauty. This is one of my favorite palettes of all time. I rarely get to use it because it is Bella's palette, but I just borrowed it for this tutorial because I am at her place using her studio. So I just picked up the color Kai Kai, which is a very pink eyeshadow, and it is super pigmented and really blendable. I just blended it into my crease with a fluffy brush, then went in with an angled brush for more definition, and then back with the fluffy brush to help me diffuse that line of definition that we applied. And honestly, it's optional to do those two steps. It's just my favorite way of getting a defined crease before we cut it. So this is my little hack for you guys. I'm going in with glitter glue. Any glitter glue will work. And I pretty much applied glitter glue to the back of my hand and then to the brush. I squeeze the tip of the brush and I let it dry for about 30 seconds. And then I go in with concealer and then I start to carve my lid. For today's look, I'm using my BH Cosmetics brush, the number 9 brush. I will try to link it down below if I find it. But this brush is definitely beginner friendly. Super easy to carve the crease with it. Next, I'm going into this shade right here called Beat, and this shade is absolutely stunning. You can see it for yourself right here. I did wet it with some Fix Plus, and I'm just applying a nice even base all over my lid. And I really wish that I could give you guys the name of the brush that I'm using right here, but unfortunately the name did rub off, so I have no idea what kind of brush this is. But any brush that is really round and skinny will work for this. Any round flat brush. I'm pretty sure MAC Cosmetics has a really good one also. I'll try to leave the name of that one down below. Then I'm going in with my EBH glitter in the color Crystal Cave, and I'm going in with some more of that Too Faced glitter glue. And you guys, I do the same exact thing that I do with my concealer brush on my crease brush when I apply glitter in my crease. Pinch the brush with some glitter glue, let it dry. Trust me, it's going to give you a really defined edge and tip for that. Next, I'm going in with that Kai Kai shade once again. First, I went in with a fluffy brush and diffused that on the outer corner, and then I'm going in with this angled brush and just kind of patting it on that outer edge, kind of as a smoky liner. And then I'm peeling off my tape. For lashes today, I'm using my Shop Sophie Bella Barbados lashes. The link to these lashes will be down below. We actually have a sale going on right now. Any purchase, you will receive a free Laguna, and that's only until March 20. Then I'm applying Kai Kai on the lower lashes as well. First with this smudger brush and just kind of applying it lightly, and then I'm going to be going in with an angled brush and applying it a little bit more heavy and a little bit closer to my lower lashes for a nice gradient. And then I'm going to be going into my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm just applying a nice layer on my lower lashes just to give them some length. And then I'm going back into that shade that we applied on the lid, and I'm applying some to my brow bone and also to my inner corner. This shade is so stunning. If you guys haven't tried this palette yet, highly recommend it. And this is the finished look, you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We have a lot of really cool different videos coming your way. So if you don't want to miss out on our videos, please make sure to join the family and hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.